If you want to grow lush, vibrant, and long-blooming indoor flowers, here's a natural trick you need to know. I welcome everyone to this video. Today, I'll show you how to make an easy homemade fertilizer that will boost your indoor plants like magic. This natural top dressing helps strengthen foliage, shoots, and buds, while also triggering rich and long-lasting flowering. We'll make it using something you usually throw away: potato peels. Yes, potato peels are one of the most popular and effective folk fertilizers. They're completely free and packed with plant-loving nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, zinc, starch, glucose, and even natural vitamins. These peels also bring nitrogen into the soil, which plants absolutely love. Just dry the peels after cleaning, grind them into powder, using a meat grinder if needed, and they're ready to go. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon into each flower pot. For bigger pots or larger plants, you can safely use more. Since it's a natural fertilizer, you don't need to worry about overfeeding. Just mix it into the soil and, if you like, cover it with a thin layer of earth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant-saving tips.